Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm a radiologist in Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still love endo like I do because today I'm going to tell you a story about a single visit endodontic treatment in mandibular second molar. So what's so special about this case? This is an unfinished business which was done by previous operator because the canal is still infected and yet there was a file fragment located at the cervical third at the orifices, and I don't know why does this happen. Maybe because of the access cavity preparation was not done well, or maybe because the previous operator was trying to get the glide path but unfortunately unsuccessful. And then what I did was a single visit endo, started from the removal of the broken file, trying to rewind the access cavity preparation, doing a proper disinfection strategies, and then operating the canal and restore the canal using proper restoration. And 2 years later, the patient came back to me and the tooth was asymptomatic. And what made me happy was because I saw a bone regeneration from the X-ray. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. So if you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below or just send your question to my Instagram account because I will reply your DM as soon as possible. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.